Welcome back everyone. Today we're looking at 3 gadgets that you might need for fishing. So let's take a look. The first one is these little clips here. And you might be asking yourself, what the hell are they? And what do you need them for? Well, you might want to put your hooks in it. You might want to put your squid jigs in it as well. And yeah, so let's take a look. Okay, so here we have the squid jig, and this is the protective cap that we got. And you can see it just slips on really easily, and you can hold your squid jig and handle it any way you want, and there's no danger of getting spiked. And these are some other different kinds of squid jigs, and again, you just pop them on and throw them in your bag or your tackle box, and yeah, they're easy and safe to use. So really cool products. So that's the safety cases for your little jigs or your hooks or whatever you want to use them for. If you think that you might need some of these, links will be in the description, so check them out for yourself. They're really cheap. The next gadget that we're going to look at are these things. And what are they? Velcro straps. Alright, so I've already opened one because I had to use it. And these are great. You can use them for virtually anything. So what they are, they don't stick or anything like that. It's just pure Velcro. So just undo it, cut it, and just use it. When you're transporting your rods and you want to strap them together, this is perfect. Real perfect. But it's not just for rods though, it could be used for anything. And yeah, so let's take a closer look. All right, so here we have the strap, and just showing you how you can use it on your rods. Just really versatile, really easy to use. Just get your length that you want, cut it up, and just place it on your cords or anything really. I use it for so many different things. It keeps everything really nice and neat, tidy. Here I have some SD card readers, and I want to keep them together. One's a micro and the other one's for macro. And showing you for cords, just looping it over like that, and you can hang it off anything you want. Just keeps them out of the way, keeps them nice and tidy. Let's take a closer look. You can use them virtually for anything. Like for instance, I've got a lot of cords that are just sitting around. What I do is just grab a piece about that long, and I'll just do a little bit of a loop on that side, just like that. Then I grab my cords, and I will Velcro them, just like that. And I will do this loop maybe 2-3 times, and then hang it. Now I've got these little hooks right here. These are fantastic. Apparently they're rated to, they're magnetic, so they're rated to hold up to 10 kilos. So this is what I've got on my, like a little filing cabinet over there, and I've got about 10 of these along there, and I've got these holding up things that I need. And here's those magnetic hooks I was telling you about, and they're very strong and great, and just hang things off and keep them out of the way. It keeps everything nice and tidy. And it just holds it, and it's just perfect. So I got the packet of 2, so I head down, click on the link and have a look at them yourselves if you're thinking that you might need something like this. They're great, they're really handy. Last but not least, I've got these, more Velcro strips. I'm a Velcro man, I love Velcro. Alright, so what do you got here? I got a packet here of, I don't know how many I bought, but they're really cheap, but they come in really handy. These are like, they got like a little belt situation happening here. So if you want to tighten something up, you always have the felt part facing upwards, and you come through the little belt, and you tighten it like that, which I'll show you. Okay, so just demonstrate to you. There's a hook there that you can cover up with these Velcro strip bands. Keep it safe, keep it secure to the rod, so it doesn't go all over the place in the boot of the car or wherever you've got them. Easy to put on and easy to take off, as you can see. Secure your lures or your hooks or anything like that to the rod. Okay, so yeah, so these are the little Velcro strips. So grab a handful, throw them in your tackle box, because they'll come in really handy, I guarantee you. Now, do any of these products deserve to go in the crap bin? Well, no, not really. They're all pretty good. I will be using them a lot. And that's it. And I'll catch you on the next one real soon.